Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm going to be reviewing the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. I need to give a shout out to Supcase for actually sending this case to me for a review. They did send out the Unicorn Beetle case, which I'm going to review in a different video. The Unicorn Beetle Pro has a unique feature on here. It has the hinge protection, but in the hinge protection there is a pen slot, so you can always have your pen with you. So I want to see how that works. I want to see how that looks. Does it add extra bulk to your phone? And I just want to see the case itself. I haven't seen a case where the pen is in the hinge yet, so this is actually going to be pretty cool. Also, the presentation with this box, man, this is actually nice. Great job, Supcase. But here is the case. The case itself. So you get instructions on how to install it. You also get instructions on how to put the pen. That's pretty cool. And then replacing the adhesive strips. But here is the case itself. This one does not come with a holster on it, but you do have a kickstand. And then that is the hinge. Let's see. It also comes with the built-in screen protector. So here's the hinge, and look, that is the pen holder there. So if you want to take it out, you just put your finger in here, pop it out, and you're good to go. Also, they have this protective film here, so that way you don't scratch up your phone. So like a soft material, Supcase, military drop protection. It also has the vinyl rockers on there. I like that little extra grip. And then you have this. I don't know if I agree or like the built-in screen protector, but you know, if you're going outside, you want to protect your Fold, a $1,700 device, it might be good for you. You could probably always pop that out if you wanted to, but I'm gonna leave it on. So let's see. You want to put the bottom in first. Make sure that is in there, always on. Then what you want to do is put the back. That's it. Open it up a little bit. Put the bottom in. Make sure you have it in there. Snap. And there you go. So do you get lip action? Yes, you don't even have to worry about it though, because you have the built-in screen protector. You have enough room to get to the power button. So the power button works, you have no problem there. Let's check out the vinyl rockers. They are easy to press. I actually like that too. Look at the hinge. So if you want to get the pen out, you pop out the pen, you just move this over, you pop out the pen and get it out. Now let's see how it looks when you open it. So when you open it, you get some lip protection. And look at the hinge. That is kind of weird though. It gives you something to hold on to. Like, look. So I have something to hold on to, but that is massive, y'all. That is massive. So it gives you that grip though. Also, let's check out the camera protection. The camera protection is there too. I do like the little design of this though. Man. Let's see, kickstand. It's definitely in there good. All right, so I was able to get the kickstand open. So if you can lay it down like that, or you have that option to have it a little bit more up, or if you close the phone, you can, do it vertically like that too, if you wanted to. The only problem that I see with this case, like when I open it, and look what happens when I close the case. So that hinge is always open. Now, the slim, tough armor case from Spigen has the hinge something like this too. So I might put these two together and do like a case battle. Shout out to Phone Tech at work. He actually does that type of video. He's been doing it for a while, so I might have to actually try it with these two cases just to see. Because both of these cases with the hinge protection, they're not cheap. But this one, I think, will give you the most protection for your money. I mean, because, yeah, I'm not going to drop it, but if you did, you have that protection. Now, the last thing I want to check out, how is the touch sensitivity? You just feel like you're touching plastic, though. Now, the other question is, how much are you going to use the end of this? I mean, this main display, or what they cover the cover display. How often are you going to use it? So, I mean, if you're not using it that much, it gives you that protection you're looking for, and it has the pen in there. So you pop that open, pop the pen. Now, can you wireless charge? And the answer is yes. You can wireless charge with it without a problem. So I actually kind of like this case. I want to check out the Unicorn Beetle and see if that case is any different and what's the differences between those cases there. But you can pick this case up from Amazon. I will have the link in the description if you want to pick it up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace, y'all. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.